Hey, in front of me is VIVO Y22S, and today I would like to show you how you can use App Cloner on this device. First of all, you need to open Settings and scroll down. Then click on Apps section. In it, scroll down again, choose App Clone and click on the sorter next to one of your available apps, in my case Facebook. Then wait a couple of seconds. And as you can see, when I go back, I can see that my Facebook app was successfully cloned. In order to delete your app, go into the same settings and tap on the sorter again. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!